on the index, and the Bank Nifty is up about 250 points. So that's the first take. On expected lines, HDFC Bank is your top mover, up almost about 1% after a good set of numbers, and that's taking the market higher, 60 points higher now on the index. The Nifty is up in the green, 0.3%. The Bank Nifty is also charging ahead, courtesy HDFC and courtesy HDFC Bank. That one is now up over 1%. But the entire HDFC group is looking good. HDFC Life is also moving up with some strength. A lot of IT stocks are moving up. Remember, the analyst just a while back was telling us that IT is looking attractive after the recent fall. Infosys, HCL Tech. Important to see how Wipro is shaping up because the numbers were disappointing. So perhaps the stock as well. Wipro should come up for you on your screen. Okay, absolutely flat with a bit of a negative bias over there. Since we're talking earnings, let's also look at Avenue Supermarts, which has been disappointing. In pre-opening, it was down about 4.5%. That's what the opening tick is indicating as well. Apart from that, you also have Just Dial. Of course, Nigel will talk about that in greater detail. But for now, the first tick on Just Dial is very good, 8% higher. Post a good set of numbers that Just Dial has delivered this time around. Couple of other heavyweights. HUL comes out with numbers this week on Thursday. Ahead of that, HUL is tad bit soft, down almost 0.4%. In fact, Britannia, Nestle are all in the red. So that's one pocket that is underperforming, the consumption piece. Even Pharma, Divi's Lab is down almost about 4 odd points or so. Nothing alarming, but nevertheless, it's underperforming the market. So give and take everything, it's a strong start. Nifty holding on to 18,000, holding on to December lows, holding on to the 100-day moving average, and the the advanced decline ratio as well in favor of the advances. So good opening coming through.
Well, that's right. So just to tell our viewers that TCS is appearing like it's down 1.5%, but actually it's adjusted for its ex-dividend. So the special as well as the interim dividend, both of them have adjusted. So adjusted for that, actually, the stock is higher because both those two put it together, I think it's more than 70 rupees odd. So keep that in mind. Moving on to a couple of other names. RVNL, well, that stock is open up well in the green. It's up close to around 2% odd. In terms of stocks that are reacting, Just Dial, the revenues are up 8% on a sequential basis. The margins improve for fourth quarter in the row. So that's flying away as we speak. Sagar Cements, well, they've got a hold of Andhra Cements now. The LOI has been received. So that's opened mildly higher. You have AG Infra, they're backed a 400 crore order for the Delhi Metro. So that stock as well is higher in trade. NCL Industries, small cap company, only around 750, 800 crores odd. But out there, you have the dispatches that are up by close to around 25%. So that's open up in the green. On the flip side, Granules, I think they're a little bit under pressure. 3 observations were observed to their Gagilapur facility after pre-approval inspection. So that stock should come up for you on the screen. And Avenue Supermarts, well, the EBITDA as well as the profit misestimates, the margins come in at its lowest levels we've seen in the last 7 quarters. So Avenue Supermarts as well, reacting to its numbers, down closer around 5% odd. Prashant.
Nigel, this is a good open, and actually this is the open we should have had. This is the open which the SGX should have indicated as well. Because, I mean, the US stocks were higher, dollar is lower. Overall, the environment is not too bad, and the SGX was indicative of a flattish kind of start. But this